welcome my subscribers, my listeners. On today's video, I want to show you how you can find spying apps on your phone and how you can delete them. Now, when you want to get or to find out if someone is spying or using your phone, you need to get the spying app that is being used to spy you. Now on this part, you go to your phone settings, you open on phone settings. It will depend with the phone that you're using. On this part, I'm using Samsung Galaxy. It will be found on biometrics and security. On other phones, I think you get them on security. On this part, you tap on, if you're using Samsung, you tap on biometrics and security. On other phone, you can get them either on security. Then tap to open. When you open, you scroll down to other security settings. You tap to open other security settings. Then there is a part where there is device admins. You tap to open device admins apps, and that is where you get all the spying apps in your phone. When you note, on my phone I have this app known as Find My Device. That is a spying app. But on your case, if you get some other list with the app with a known name, those are the spying apps. What you do to delete, just click on it to deactivate it. For example, this on mine, I have no spying app, but I can demonstrate using this one. This is the Find My Device. You click on it to deactivate. When you deactivate, you can go back to apps, then uninstall. Now, the other part or the other method that you can use to find the spying app in your phone, go to your Play Store app. For example, go to a Play Store app, click to open it. Then on your profile, you click on it, then tap on Play Protect. On this part also, you know that all your spying apps will be listed here. By that, you have a simple time to list them, then you go back after listing them. When you identify them, you need to go back to your phone app, then you uninstall them out of your phone. Thank you for listening to my tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed. If you get any issue trying to get any spying app in your phone, please feel free to contact. Feel free to comment under the comment section of this video. And for those who have not subscribed, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn the bell on for you to be notified anytime I post a similar video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Let's meet another time with another tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.